Assalamualaikum and greeting. Today we want to discuss heat stress at the workplace. High temperature in the workplace can be a significant effect on worker health and safety. In the video, we will explain the risk, symptom, preventive measure, and the important role played by worker, supervisor, and employee in the managing heat stress.
What is heat stress? Heat stress occurs when the body absorbs heat faster than it can cool itself. Normally, the body cools down through sweating and blood circulation to the skin. However, this cooling process becomes ineffective when the environment is too hot, humid, or poor ventilated. Heat stress commonly occurs when working under direct sunlight, in hot, enclosed areas, or when wearing thick clothing or personal protective equipment that traps heat. Other factors, such as heavy physical work, insufficient water intake, inadequate rest, and workers who have not can lead to heat exhaustion and, in severe cases, heat stroke, which can be life-threatening.
If heat stress is not controlled, it can cause serious health problems such as extreme fatigue, dizziness, difficulty breathing, nausea, and in more severe cases, heat stroke, which can be fatal. Other symptoms often include muscle cramp due to electrolyte loss from excessive sweating. This can prevent workers from continuing their task and put them at the risk of illness. It's important for us to recognize the early symptoms so that preventive action can be taken quickly before the situation worsens.
Preventive measures for heat stress. There are several effective preventive measures to reduce the risk of heat stress. Workers should drink water regularly even if they do not feel thirsty. Take frequent breaks in shaded or air-conditioned areas and wear suitable light and loose-fitting clothing. In addition, heavy work should be reduced or rescheduled during extremely hot conditions.
As employer, we are responsible for ensuring a safe working environment free from heat stress risk. This includes conducting risk assessment, identifying high-risk tasks, and implementing appropriate control measures. We also monitor workplace temperature and weather conditions, including the use of heat index or wet bulb globe temperature measurement to determine whether work needs to be reduced, rescheduled, or additional rest breaks are required. Employers must provide sufficient drinking water, comfortable rest area, proper ventilation such as fan or air conditioning, and suitable work rest schedule. In addition, regular training, a buddy system, and a safe work procedure are implemented so workers can recognize early signs of heat stress and take immediate action. In emergency situations such as fainting or severe confusion, emergency procedure will be activated and medical assistance will be sought immediately.
As workers, we need to always be alert to the early sign of heat stress. If I feel dizzy, nauseous, or extremely fatigued, I must immediately report it to my supervisor or management. In addition, I must make sure to drink water frequently and take breaks when necessary to prevent the situation from worsening.
In conclusion, heat stress is a preventable risk if all parties play their roles. Workers, supervisors, and employers must work together to create a safe and healthy working environment. With proper awareness, monitoring, and preventive measures, we can protect workers' health and reduce workplace accidents.
Healthy workers are the most valuable asset. Occupational safety and health is a shared responsibility.